Hi everyone, I'm Guillemette, and this video is to show you how you can record your PowerPoint presentation. Before your recording, isolate yourself in a quiet place and make sure you won't be disturbed during your presentation. First, you need to open your PowerPoint presentation and minimize the window. Then, enter Zoom on your web browser and go to the web page. Sign in with your email address and password. Then, you're gonna click on Host a meeting with video on. The pop-up window invites you to open Zoom meetings. Click on Open to launch the meeting video. If you have the Zoom meeting application installed on your computer, it's even easier. Open it and click on New Meeting. If you have not automatically joined audio by computer when launching the meeting, do it now. You can adjust your microphone and your camera in the black toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Then you're gonna click on Share Screen. This is where you will select the window with your presentation. Launch your PowerPoint slideshow from the beginning. Just before your recording, make sure your camera is open so people can see your face when you speak, and place it where it won't block images and text. You can now begin your presentation. To do so, you need to access the black toolbar at the top of your screen and click on More, then on Record. Now, as you can see by this little icon, the session is actually being recorded. You can now begin your presentation. It should last between 12 and 15 minutes. After finishing your conclusion, you can stop recording. To do so, you're gonna click on More and then Stop Recording. After stopping to share by clicking on this button, you're gonna leave the Zoom meetings. End meeting for all at the bottom right of the screen. Now Zoom is converting the recording. You will find on your computer 3 files. The MP4 format is the one you will send. The final step is to upload the video to your IPA personal account. To do so, you need to log in and click on ICPP file. Then, on My Papers, on the left-hand menu of the page. This is where you will find all your papers you have contributed to the conference. On the right, under the Action category, you will find an icon with a file and an arrow inside. Click on it. The 3 blue squares at the bottom of this pop-up window allow you to upload 3 different documents. The first is for your PDF paper, the second is for your PowerPoint presentation, and the third is for the video. Click on it. This will open a new window and you will select the MP4 format of your recording. Now you can validate by clicking on Update. If this doesn't work, you can contact us at icpublicpolicy@gmail.com. We will send you a Zoom link to record your presentation live. We look forward to watching your presentation. Thank you!